guys? It's the CRUNCHYSIMBIRD today because I'm not playing The Sims. But today I will be unboxing a new gaming monitor.
And you already know, it's your boy Ceejaybrand. We're going to be back at another video for unboxing some more technology today. So we went ahead and went to Micro Center, went ahead and picked up an Aoc gaming monitor. It's a 23.8-inch screen, 144 hertz of refresh time. Yeah, so let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. We got a special knife today as well. It cuts fish, apparently. All right, here we go. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this right quick.
It cuts perfectly.
Perfectly fine. Let me take this over there. Okay. We got our important stuff right here. Looks like this is going to be like a wall mounting. HDMI cable came with it. I believe this right here runs on HDMI 3.0. Got our display cords as well. The most important thing ever.
Power cord. We're gonna make sure you need that.
Most definitely. Alright, let's see. We're gonna flip this bad boy over.
The little manuals to tell you the features about it. The quick setup guide.
And then we need our fancy knife again. Because now we gotta cut some more. You wanna go ahead and do the honors? Go ahead and cut that bad boy open.
Wow.
And now the reveal. And now the reveal. Don't wait on it.
Which way? Oh, I'm sorry.
She's trying to kill me, y'all. Y'all seen that? It's on camera. On camera. Cool, we got the little stand right here. We're gonna be placing right there on the back of the computer. And then the table holder. Just that. Let's put these to the side. Dangerous.
I'm just ready to open it. Woo!
I'll let you do the honors. It's yours.
So, I don't know how to eat. You don't want to turn it around. Oh, she's thick.
Oh.
Ooh, and it's a curve. Did we mention? Pretty nice. Okay.
So yeah, I know you guys have we pick up this gaming monitor today from Micro Center. This is the Aoc, the M24G1C gaming monitor. I think it's pretty good for $179, and it's curved. I can't find a better price. I don't think so.
You guys will be able to see the features and everything once I continue to play The Sims on it.
All right, then we're going to actually hook this bad boy up, and we'll be right back with you guys.